everyone, welcome back to my channel Designs by Akshu. Myself Akshada and I am an interior designer. So today's video is going to be very informative for all those designers who wanted to have a side income from YouTube, because many of the designers are trying to put on their content but not reaching that platform, and even they wanted to start earning as a side income from YouTube, but not getting the right content, not getting the right concepts, and it is getting full confused at what to upload and at what time and what audience are searching for. So I'm going to introduce you to such 7 important tips and tricks which are going to help you out to reach your goal from 0 to infinite. Get started with the video and let's see the best 7 tips and tricks. Let's get started. Tip number 1. What content you're uploading? Is it creation or is it presentation? Or you're uploading the both content? This matters a lot. Yes. How? Because you don't know what your audiences are searching for. Yes. Are they searching for the creation process, that how to create a mesh in 3ds Max, how to create a pillow in 3ds Max? You don't know. Or what are the results or what are the render views created in 3ds Max? So these questions are from the both different fields. First is from the creation one and the other is from the presentation one. Yes. So depending on these search terms, it is very important that what type of content you are uploading. And do you know what audiences are watching? Exactly, no. Yes, because you are really unaware about what content actually your audiences are watching. So it is very important to go with these two concepts together. You start creating and as well as presenting together. Don't stick to just creation process or just don't stick to the presentation process. Do you know that your audiences or any other people in the world, they love green elements a lot? Like for example, people are searching like the very heaven places, the places where a lot of trees, places where a lot of greenery. What? This is going to matter to your content. Actually, it matters a lot because people are searching for the green elements in your design. For example, I will take an example of a graphic designer. If people are creating some Photoshop renders of a 2D house plan, and if you're embedding some plants, 2D plants into it, and you're creating it into green elements, just imagine a design with all the green elements. Don't you think that the subscribers or your viewers are going to attract to your content? Yes. Tip number 3. Let your thumbnail speak more than your title. Yes. How this is going to help? Exactly. Because your title is not first seen. Your thumbnail is first shown on YouTube feed. Yes. So that is going to be your first main important impression click, where people are going to click your thumbnail and then enter your video. So it is really very important to make your thumbnail easy and readable. Appropriate thumbnail into which you're not exceeding your elements limit from maximum 3. You have to use maximum 3 elements in your thumbnail, not more than that. So this is going to help you to read your elements, read your content, read your title in just one text. Yes. You need not to make it more hard to read for your audiences. Make it easy. Tip number 4. Try creating your content in SS method. Now what's SS method? SS means sweet and simple. Yes. Your audiences do not want to watch a 36 minutes videos, a 1 hour video, or 2 hour of video. Your audiences like or they love to watch the content which is sweet and short and simple as well. Yes, try making content which is really very simple, which is sweet to understand. All the concepts are cleared, not too lengthy and long videos, and the concept is not so much of stretched. It is easily explained and every concept is easily explained in just that 10 minutes of videos. Just love to watch the content which you have shown on your thumbnail. It is really very important to show the content which you have shown in your thumbnail. So try making your videos short and sweet. So follow this SS method, that is short and sweet. Stuck to these both of them, you will get your subscribers and views. Tip number 5. Try adding appropriate title for your video, because as the thumbnail is going to be the attraction point, same the title is going to be a second attraction point, because the first people are going to see your thumbnail, then they are going to read the title, that what your video is related to. So make sure that your title is appropriate and those words are actually in use in your video. Make sure that you're creating video and the title which you have put up are same. How to make 3D texture in SketchUp, or how to add 3D texture in SketchUp. And if you're writing something different in title, that how to make proper renders or how to make realistic renders, this is not going to attract your audiences, because in video you have shown something different and in title you're performing some different. So this is going to mess up, and next time your audiences are not going to click on your videos. Tip number 6. Do not forget to edit your video in YouTube terms, okay? Because many of the people, what they do is they upload their video and directly, without further editings, they upload it, and not an appropriate tags, not appropriate hashtags, they do not use anything, just they upload their video. This is not going to help you to reach a lot of audiences. Yes, if you want to reach a lot of audiences, then make sure that you learn to understand what your audiences are searching for. So for that you have to focus on search terms. Yes, so for that you have to go in YouTube where the editings are done, and in YouTube search terms you have to search for the ad tags. In ad tags, your video is going to add some sort of tags. Into that you have to add tags. For example, if your video is related to how to add 3D textures or how to create 2D plan in AutoCAD, so you have to add your title first into that, how to create a 2D AutoCAD plan, right? Then the next, AutoCAD tutorial. So you can add tags related to your content, okay? This is going to help you to reach your video to all the audiences who are searching for that content. Tip number 7. The last tip of our video, which is the important tip of the video. Yes, do not make your videos, long videos, especially long videos of just 5 to 7 minutes. Do not. Remember, this is the most important point of our video. Do not make your videos in just 5 to 7 or to 6 minutes or even 2 minutes. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube creating their content in just 2 to 5 minutes, which is not going to attract your audiences for a longer time. And this is not going to increase your watch time hour as well in your monetized tab. So hence, if you want to increase your views and all the monetized criteria, you have to follow that criteria, that you need to make a video of at least 10 minutes or more than 10 minutes. Okay, so this is going to be our most important point of this video, because later on, if you're monetizing, if you're earning money, so YouTube add some advertisements in your video, so that video must be of 10 minutes, so that YouTube can add at least 2 to 3 advertisements in your video, and then you can earn from that. So make sure to make your video of 10 minutes.
Hope so you have liked the video, and please do not forget to share, comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.